We just wrapped up an epic trip through Morocco, and today we're going on an epic trip of a different kind. A 14-hour journey from Casablanca to Toronto with a quick stopover in Paris. Since Ofer's birthday was fast approaching, I used some of our points to snag us business class seats on the brand new Air France Airbus 350. It's got that new plane smell. And Ofer has no idea. Yeah.
Are we going to find business class?
Yeah.
Is this a big surprise for me?
Yeah.
Nice. That's awesome.
I wish the first flight had a more impressive whatever, but the second one's gonna be nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You got it with points and stuff?
Yeah.
Secret surprise for my birthday?
For your birthday, yeah.
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah.
It's actually my birthday soon.
Yeah.
I'm turning 104.
Madame Airolo? It's gonna be colder when we're done. So we're leaving Morocco. This is the end.
Yeah, we'll have to come back. There's a lot more to see.
There's so
But we're so lucky and fortunate to have seen what we have seen.
it's a bus. It always does feel a little bit romantic, doesn't it? Once you're off the crowded bus, we get to board on a bunch of them.
Et lumineuse ainsi que les instructions de l'équipage. Réglez vos appareils électroniques en mode avion anti-guélet. Seul le Bluetooth et le Wi-Fi peuvent être activés.
I gotta say, to a lot of countries, met a lot of really, really nice people. But the people in Morocco have been exceptional. Appreciate the love, and hopefully we'll come back and see some more, because it's just so much to see. We hope to be back soon. Thanks for having us.
So we've just gotten our menu, and for breakfast today we're having pastries and bread rolls, butter, jam, dairy products, and a fruit salad, and some Moroccan patties including messamen, which is like a fried Moroccan pancake. It's really good. What is it?
An omelet. It is a Portuguese omelet with onions and fresh tomatoes, grilled zucchini, fresh, thinly sliced and sauteed mushrooms.
Ordered so much, I'm having to use this extra time. It's cold. Should have put my coat on anyways. We finally entered Christmas land. We've been in Morocco this whole time, which is not very Christmassy. I feel it washing over me. It's actually, I think this is meant for children. Oh man, that's hard to It's got that new plane smell. This is an A350. It had its inaugural flight on October 7th. It's December 15th now.
Brand spanking.
Spanking new. Jinx. Screen here. Privacy screen. This opens up. You got your headphones. If you piss me off, I can do this. No, it doesn't. It never goes far enough. But I've also, it has a shoulder strap if you want it, like this, which I've never seen before. Nice fluffy pillow. This is also something I haven't seen before. You push this, and then your tray table comes out. The TV actually looks really nice. It's brand new, I guess it should. Wow, it's like a touch screen.
Le petit format doivent être placés sous le siège de vente. Dans Air France, cet Airbus A350.
Look at the texture. So nice. And we just got champagne. Ofer had grape juice. Just weird. Is it really just grape juice? I can smell it actually. I don't even need to drink it. Thank you. It's not bad. It's a lot.
You love it?
I hope they bring a menu. Love menus. It's shrimp with panna cotta. It's kind of weird. But these are delicious. It's like a crispy crepe. Crispy cheesy crepe with like another sliver of cheese just stuffed inside of it. No. Delicious though. How are you feeling?
Feeling great.
Ready to eat again?
I feel like that's all we've been doing. Not complaining, but I'm not hungry.
You have good sleep.
I slept for like an hour or two. Yeah, it was good.
Did you have a whiskey there at the end?
I did. I had some champagne, some whiskey.
It's snowing. I mean, we knew it would be, right? Toronto.
It's winter.
What's that?
It's cold, snowing, it's winter, it's
It
Christmas.
really is. We went from the Sahara Desert to the winter tundra.